Matching whole words using in Python. I've been searching around for some time for this, but have still not found an answer. Maybe it's got something to do with regular expressions, but I think there should be a simple answer that I am missing here. It seems very trivial to me. Here goes. On the Python interpreter I get as true. I wanted a command that returns a false. I want the entire word to be matched. Thanks.
If you want to do a plain match of just one word, use equals equals. If you're doing ABCN, CDE, FDABC, ABC123, that returns false anyway. The reason ABC and ABC123 returns true, from the docs. For the Unicode and string types, X and Y is true if and only if X is a substring of Y. An equivalent test is y.find x not equal -1. So for comparing against a single string, use equals equals, and if comparing in a collection of strings, and can be used, you could also do ABCN, ABC123, since the behavior of in works as your intuition imagines when Y is a list or collection of sorts.
It isn't how it's done.
I might not understand your question, but it seems like what you want is ABC123 equals ABC. This returns false, whereas ABC123 equals ABC123 returns true. Perhaps what you are looking for is matching on whole words but splitting on white space? That is, ABC does not match ABC123, but it does match ABC-def? If that is the case, you want something like this.
In my case, I used a small trick. The whole word should be surrounded with spaces. So if I want to find word like kill, I will search for kill. In this case, it won't match with word like skill.
If you want to do more, push 0 from